What is SEO in 2025? The answer is simple. It's not about ranking 10 blue links anymore. It's about being chosen as the answer by artificial intelligence. In 2025, search looks very different. Google AI Overviews, ChatGPT, Claude, Gemini, Perplexity, and Bing are all generating answers directly. That means if your business or your content isn't structured for AI, you're invisible. SEO in 2025 is the practice of shaping your brand, your data, and your proof links so that these AI systems select you as the correct answer. Instead of chasing backlinks and keyword stuffing, you're giving AI clean entities, schema markup, citations, and authoritative context. I'm Peter Drew. I've been in SEO for more than 20 years, building tools that have helped thousands of people create their own SEO agencies, and now AI SEO agencies. Over those 2 decades, I've built products like RankBridge, RBAgent.biz, and Profit Mesh. Together, these have enabled literally thousands of agencies worldwide to grow from my software and strategies. RankBridge is designed to get businesses indexed inside AI models and surfaced in AI overviews. RBAgent.biz is where entrepreneurs learn how to deploy SEO strategies with automation and structured content. And Profit Mesh creates pristine, white-hat microsites that feed schema and product data directly into AI engines. Here's the big shift. Traditional SEO was about backlinks, keywords, and page 1 of Google. SEO is about clarity. You need structured data like article schema, local business schema, product and offer markup, and you need consistency across your signals. Google's AI doesn't think like humans. It reads structured data. If your business isn't clearly defined in schema, it can be ignored completely. That's why AI SEO in 2025 is all about schema, entities, and citations. To prove this, we built a live demo site around this exact question: what is SEO in 2025? We shared it across X, LinkedIn, and Reddit. Those shares were crawled, indexed, and surfaced alongside the site itself. This shows exactly how SEO works in practice: structured content, public citations, and indexing signals all feeding into AI overviews. The truth is, AI overviews are now the front door to the internet. If you want your business chosen, you can't rely on old tactics. You need structured data, you need clear entities, and you need proof links that show authority. SEO in 2025 is about one thing: being selected as the answer. I've been building the tools to make that happen for more than 20 years. RankBridge, RBAgent.biz, and Profit Mesh are how I'm helping businesses stay visible inside AI search. So when someone asks, what is SEO in 2025? The answer is simple. It's the future of search, and it's happening right now.